Janice K. Cunningham presiding.
Good morning. Please be seated. Something good must come from this. It may be hard to see from where we stand now, but already much good has come from this pain and hardship. Voices of victims are supported and believed and are heard like never before. Victims and their parents realize that they are not alone, that they are not the only ones with these feelings of shame and guilt and confusion and anger. Young women have been and are empowered to stand up for themselves. And now we can be sure that a group of determined women can transform into advocates of change. That won't stop and end here when he is taken away for the last time today.
The words expressed by everyone that has spoken, including the parents, have impacted me to my innermost core. With that being said, I understand and acknowledge that it pales in comparison to the pain, trauma, and emotions that you are feeling. It's impossible to convey the depth and breadth of how sorry I am to each and every one involved. The visions of your testimonies will forever be present in my thoughts.
Thank you, Judge.
There is absolutely no question that society must be protected from Larry Nassar. It is unfathomable to think about the number of victims that would have been spared had authorities acted upon the complaints received years ago. But that is a discussion for a different time and a different place. Today, the issue for this court, the responsibility of this court, is to exercise the authority that I do have to protect society from you, which is what I intend to do. You will serve 40 to 125 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. I believe this sentence is proportionate to the seriousness of the circumstances surrounding the offenses and of the offender. Mr. Newberg.
Your Honor, he's received his notice of appellate rights, for providing that to the court staff.
Ladies and gentlemen, this now ends the criminal legal proceedings involving Larry Nassar. I realize that it does not end the emotional and physical suffering he has caused. I am in awe of each of you, and I appreciate your efforts to provide me with your statements, flying in from Europe, all over the country, submitting videos, taking time off work, missing classes. You basically put your lives on hold. You will always be in my thoughts and prayers. That is all.
All rise.